Hello and welcome to another episode on learning correct English at Sonia Ram's English Workshop. I'm your host Varan Thakur and I'm here to bring to your attention another blooper or unintentional mistake we Indians generally make while speaking English. Let us begin by watching the enactment of a conversation between a father and a son on an important day. Anil Saxena is a father anxious about his son's performance in the board exam on the first day. His son Amit Saxena has just reached home after finishing his first paper.
Hello Amit. So how was your first exam today?
Wonderful, Papa. I did very well. I could not be more happier.
Are you quite sure?
I could not do more better than what I did in today's exam.
Wonderful.
So we watched a happy conversational scene between a father and a son. Amit seems like a bright kid, isn't it? Well, what bothers me about this conversation is the English he used in reporting his performance to his father. Did you also find something odd about his language? No? Alright then. Let me point it out to you. Firstly, he said, I could not be more happier. Then he said, I could not do more better than what I did. He used the expressions more happier and more better while expressing his feelings about his performance in the examination. Do you realize what is wrong with these expressions? At this stage, I have to bring in some grammar jargon to make you realize what is wrong with these expressions. Do you know what an adjective is? An adjective is a word that attaches some quality to a noun. In other words, it defines a noun. For example, when I say this is a factory, I'm using a common noun, factory. But when I say this is a big factory, I'm defining the noun factory as big. Apparently, I'm using the adjective big to define the noun factory. Now I come to the crux of the matter. All adjectives have two more forms. These forms are called comparative and superlative forms. So the comparative form of big is bigger and the superlative form is biggest. Some other examples can be happy, happier, happiest, tall, taller, tallest, and so on. But, and this is a big but, not all adjectives have similar comparative and superlative forms. For example, take the adjective important. Do you make its comparative and superlative forms as importanter and importantest? No, you cannot. Then how do we make the comparative and superlative forms of such an adjective? The answer is that we use another quantitative adjective before it, and that quantitative adjective is much. The comparative form of much is more and its superlative form is most. So the comparative and superlative forms of important will be more important and most important. Similar adjectives are useful, beautiful, punctual, and so on. Now do you understand what is wrong with our bright boy Amit's expression, more happier and more better? That is another Hinglish blooper we Indians are famous for. He has used two comparative forms of the adjectives, much and happy, together in his first expression and then repeated it in the second expression by saying more better. Avoid falling a victim to this English blooper and getting laughed at by the pundits of the English language. Now, let us watch the correct usage of adjectives in this revised scene of conversation between Amit and his father.
Hello Amit. So how was your first exam today?
Wonderful, Papa. I could not be happier. I did very well.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa. I could not have done better than what I did today.
Wonderful.
Well, that's it for today. We here at Sonia Ram's English Workshop will be more happier. Oops, sorry. Will be very happy if you subscribe to our channel. Press on the bell icon to subscribe and get notifications every time we share a new video. Also, please like it and share it with all your friends to whom you think this will be useful. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.